Hi there, how's it going? This is Ash from Best Profits. One of the huge advantages that digital marketing has over all other forms of marketing is the fact that you can do data driven marketing. What I mean by data driven marketing is that you make all of your decisions based on data and data alone. You will not let preconceived notions take over. You won't let your emotions work. You won't listen to your cousins to tell you what works and what doesn't. You will take the data that's come from your campaigns and you will make informed decisions with respect to what's happening with respect to your digital marketing efforts, assuming that you're doing digital marketing across the board. On the screen here, you're looking at a landing page. So how many views does this landing page get? How many conversions does this landing page get? In terms of this particular newsletter landing page that we built, the conversions are measured as to how many people sign. If I was giving away a free offer, how many people subscribe to that offer? If I was on the website and I had a blog, how many people are reading this blog versus how many people signed up for a free upgrade that I must have given on the blog, or a free product offer that I must have made inside the blog post, or how many people visit the blog versus how many people purchase my services or my products. On social media as well, when you're sharing all of the content that you share on social media, you're likely to have a call to action under each post, and that call to action will lead people to read your social content, click on that call to action, take up some kind of an offer or take some sort of an action on your website, which again is something that you got to measure. Measuring likes on social media, measuring subscribes on your YouTube channel, measuring all of these are vanity metrics. What you really need is exact specific measurements as to what's happening with the content that you're putting out and what are the results that you're getting, and that holds across social media channels. If I were to keep posting on X and I wanted to see exactly how many people go to my profile here, I would want to see how many people go to my profile and how many people click on this particular link over here, how many people are clicking on each of these links. I would want data for that, and how many people are signing up for a free marketing audit call, how many people are subscribing to my YouTube channel, how many people are visiting my website. And the same thing also applies for my channel on YouTube. I want to know how many subscribers I have, how many views each of my videos get, but that's really not what I'm focusing on. That's not my ultimate goal. My ultimate goal is to ensure that people click on the links in the description and go up and sign up for my newsletter, for example, which is right here, or sign up for one of my products that are on the store. This data is given to you in the form of analytics. As a start, you would obviously start with analytic tools like Google Analytics and get a full picture of what's happening with respect to analytics. But instead of having to log into each of your platforms, it's not even giving you the full picture. So I only know how many subscribers I got. I know how many views I got for my YouTube videos, but I really do not know how many people went and signed up for my newsletter, or how many people signed up for XYZ offers I'm making, or how many people signed up and how are they attributed, in the sense who came from YouTube, who came from LinkedIn, who came from X, how many people came from X, LinkedIn, or YouTube, how many people came from simple search, such as how many people are getting in from search, Google results, that is, or from my SEO. All of this has to be in one place, and that's where data visualization helps. And this is how you do visualize data with respect to various things that you set up. For your reference, I am using Databox to ensure proper data visualization for my business, and you could do that with your business as well. If you want a copy of Databox, you can get started for free at bestprofit.com/Databox. The links are also in the description below. Here's an example of a Google Search Console performance as to exactly what are the queries that are being targeted, how are your pages performing with respect to those queries or other queries that you might be missing out. And there are several different data boards that you could build. A simple one, for example, could Google Analytics 4 data board. This is a visualization data board that lets you visualize in real time exactly what's happening on your website with respect to Google Analytics 4, for example. How many active users do I have by page title, sources of my traffic, active users by country, engaged sessions by page, and you can always set these cards up the way you want, always looking at the data that you think is important for you or for your business, and you can go as granular as you want with respect to the data boards that you have and with respect to what it is that you're trying to visualize. For example, I also build another data board where I'm tracking all of that that's happening on my blog plus LinkedIn plus X. This is a recent conversion that I've had. I'm tracking conversions, I'm tracking engaged sessions, and all of this really works in sense of how your business is set up, what you do in terms of digital marketing efforts, whether you're organic or inorganic, and how you're measuring and visualizing your data sourced from various sources such as blog itself, from your LinkedIn, from Twitter, your YouTube videos, how your SEO is working, how your email marketing program is working, how many signups did you get, and so on. To create a simple dashboard, all you need to do is click on create a new dashboard. You can either use the widget that Databox provides, or you can start blank. If I click on use widget, look for what it is that you want. If I wanted to track what's happening with my YouTube, I could just type in YouTube and click YouTube. What I want to do is go back into this particular data board that I have, which already tracks my blog plus LinkedIn plus Twitter, and I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to add a module or a source which says YouTube. I'm going to search for YouTube. Let's say I wanted to track YouTube subscribers. So I could just click on this and add YouTube subscribers here as well. Let's say I wanted to see how many subscribers I gained. All I have to do is just drag and drop subscribers gained here and click on connect. So this is how you measure all of your data. You can also have the option of copying this URL and sharing the data with anybody you want. With a team, you can. If you wanted to share it with your clients, you can. You can also embed this data board. You can connect your WooCommerce store or your Shopify store with your data boards and measure exactly what's happening on your WooCommerce store, for example, how many purchases and what is the average value of each purchase and so on. Same thing applies to Shopify. You could actually measure all of the data that you can track, starting from traffic from various sources and how that leads to visitors, how that leads to lead generation, and how that leads to purchases and value of purchases per transaction, and also the average customer lifetime value, and all sorts of data that you could want to visualize. You can track all of this with data boards that you create however you want, by adding necessary metrics that you want to track with a tool like Databox. As a reminder, you can get yourself a copy of Databox for free at fetchprofit.com/Databox and get started with the right journey of how you start using data analytics and data visualization to arrive at the right kind of decisions that you need to make to ensure that you're on the right path with respect to digital marketing. If you have any questions with respect to analytics tracking or how you use your analytics and tracking to make informed data decisions, please do get in touch with me. If you need help with digital marketing services, the links are in the description below, or if you would like to get on a call, the links are in the description below again. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.